The Teachable Machine by Google, grade level 5th through 12th. The use will be trained simple image, sound, and pose recognition models. Careers, machine learning, robotics, data science. The model language extension. And Scratch program, the machine learning extensions. For grade level 5th through 9th, the use will be for integrating AI concepts and drag and drop code. Careers, game and development, animation, creative computing. For Microsoft Azure, artificial intelligence for students. These grades are good at 8th grade through 12th. The use will be to explore responsible AI through real-world tools. And for careers, cloud engineering and cyber security, AI ethics. And for the ChatGPT, the OpenAI educational use, grade levels 6 through 12. For the use, language processing, chatbot design, and writing support. And for careers, journalism, marketing, virtual assistant design. And for the IBM Watson Assistant, for grade levels 9 through 12, its use to build chatbots and explore AI workflows. And for careers, customer experience, enterprise AI. And for MIT, the App Inventor and AI extensions, grade level 6 through 12. Its use to build mobile apps with speech and image recognition. Careers, app development, AI entrepreneurship. Number 7, AI for Oceans, code.org, grade level 5th through 8th. And the use teaches ethical AI and machine learning through interactive game. Careers, environmental science, and AI sustainability tech. Socratic by Google, the LLM powered tutor, grade levels 5th through 12th. And its use, AI helps break down complex homework concepts. For careers, tutoring tech, educational content creation. And number 9, Runway, machine learning, grade levels 10 through 12. Its use to create music, videos, generate visuals with AI. For careers, digital media productions, advertising, creative direction. And last but not least, number 10, Unity and Muse AI for game and design AI toolkits for grade levels 9 through 12, and its use to integrate AI and gaming project. And for careers, game design, virtual reality, stimulation tech. These tools combine creative, technical, and analytical skills, preparing students for emerging AI-based careers in STEM education.